Hi, Nick.
Mommy, purple.
Hi, Nicky.
My purple is orange.
I don't know where you put it.
I'm playing with Nikki. Can I help
Wait,
you?
back up a little bit. Go find the ball.
I
It's
can't.
somewhere. Go look over there. Libby had it over there.
Oh, I found one.
Hey, Nicky, I get it. I get it. Uh-oh. Come over here and bring it over here. Nicky, there's a football and a basketball, or and a football and a soccer ball. It's okay. Nicky will throw it to you. Libby, come sit over here.
All right, Steph.
Bye.
Bye. Nikki.
Bye. Love you.
Nikki.
Nick.
Nikki.
Nikki, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Nick.
Bye. Charlie, scoot over. Move back a little bit because I'm taking a video. Move back a little. Throw the ball. What? Oh, you gotta move your foot. Go get it for him. Scoot all the way back. Throw the ball, Nick. Hey! Wake up, Nick. Hello. Throw the ball. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
When he tries to get the ball from me.
There's something in my ear.
Wee,
Here.
that hurts.
Let me check it. Hey, guys, say goodbye. You go to the other side. Say bye-bye. Okay?
Bye.